Hey guys, what's up? My name is Noel, and in this occasion I'm going to show you my document of VSCode, which allows me to solve a system of linear equations 2 times 2. This is the example that we're going to solve today, and this is like the formula for this example, like 3x equals a11x, 5y equals a12y, and all that. Now, there's a lot of methods to solve a system of linear equations, especially if the system is a 2 times 2 because it's the easier one. But today I'm going to show you the determinant methods. This method consists on getting the determinant of the coefficients of the values of with x and y, and then getting the determinant of x, determinant of y, and with those three values you can now know the values for x and y. I'm gonna explain to you better later. So now this is the algorithm. This is the steps that we must follow to make sure that this document can solve a system. Number one, read the matrix of coefficients. Number two, calculate the determinant of the system. 3, calculate the determinant of x. Calculate the determinant of y. Calculate x using the determinant of x and determinant of the system. The same with y. See the results and check if they are right, and show the results. Now I'm gonna explain to you all my document. First, we're gonna import the necessary models, as you can read here. In this case, we're gonna import SYS. And then number one, read the matrix of the coefficients. We're gonna put these two commands for each value. I mean, this is the two commands for A11, which is the first value, and then for A12, A21, and A22. And now we're gonna put, as you can see, now the results of the equations, or B. We're gonna put the two commands also with B1 and B2. Now that we have those, we're gonna calculate the determinant of the system. As I was saying later, this is the formula, which consists on multiplying A11 times A22 minus A21 times A12, and the result would be your determinant of the system, as you can see here, A11 times A22 minus A21 times A12. Now I put this like node. If the determinant of the system is 0, I want this to appear on the terminal, which means that this is a singular matrix. What's a singular matrix? A singular matrix is a matrix that can be solved. Why? Because the determinant of the system is 0. If the determinant of the system is 0, the matrix can be solved. As you can read here, this matrix can be solved. Now we're going to calculate the determinant of x, which is determinant x, B1 times A22 minus A12 times B2. As you can see, it's the same formula as this one, but now we're gonna change A11 for B1 and A12 for B2. And with y, it's the same case, just that we're gonna change another values, A22 for B2 and A21 for B1. Now we have the determinant. Number 5, calculate x using determinant x and determinant the determinant of the system. Sorry. As you can see, here's the formula. X equals the determinant x, that is this one, dividing the determinant of the system. And the same with y. And the steps 7 and 8, it's just to check if the results are right. It's just to ensure. And we're gonna put these formulas to ensure. And now we're going to my terminal. Here I am on the folder that I must be. I'm gonna put there. Sorry. And as you can see, I have my document here. I'm gonna write Python. I'm gonna copy this document, which is the one that I have all these commands. Enter. And now I'm gonna put the values that I have on the example. AY1, it's 3. A12, it's 5. A21, it's 2. And A22, it's -1. Now the values for V1 it's 7, and V2 it's -4. And as you can see, here I have my results. That X equals -1 and Y equals 2. As you can see, here's the the 0.8 and 7 and 8 that says, like, it's like another way to ensure that we are right. If these results, the results are the same, means that we are right. And we have the value for X and the value for Y. Now I'm going to show you what would have happened if we resolve a singular matrix, as I was saying. We're going to write Python, the same document again. And now A1, I'm going to put, I don't know, an example of a singular matrix 4, 1, 2, 0, 0. As you can see, this is an example of a singular matrix, and my terminal says that this is a singular matrix, eventually, and because the determinant is 0, and because of the determinant of the system is 0, this matrix can be solved. And yeah, that will be my document. I hope that this helps you to make your projects, your works, your homeworks, whatever. And yeah, that will be my document. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next time. Bye.